My aim in life. A life without aim is a world without meaning, eyes without sight, and a boat without oars. Every person has some aims and ambitions of his life. My ambition in life is to join the army. I know it is not easy to become an army officer. Every day, soldiers have to go through unstoppable challenges, but serving the country and its people is my dream. Napoleon Bonaparte said about the importance of the country's army. The army is the true nobility of our country. I always prefer to get knowledge about the profession of army. I have read many books and seen many movies about the life of an army officer. It is the army officers who guard us day and night, and they are the ones who help us to stay out of danger when a war or crisis occurs. So, a soldier's motto is to do or die. Another important benefit for me is that my uncles and cousins are serving in this respectable profession. They share their training stories and challenging duties with me and all the experiences they had on the battlefield. The good thing is that I am not scared. In fact, the ragging stories and their bravery thrill me a lot. I see myself holding a rifle, wearing army forces uniform, and serving in challenging environments to defend my country one day. The army officer's uniform, hard work, and dedication inspire me, even it is a high paying, reputed profession. Being in the army is an honor and pride, and I am proud of myself to say that I would like to join the army and serve the country.